Yo, what is up, guys? Lyricist came in here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with a song. A young legend, not a business, will not get as much credit as he should have gotten or he should be getting. I can name a few of them still, but Gage, we're here with Gage, young legend. You know what I mean? With a song called Wha Gwaan. So Wha Gwaan, Gage, you did it. Long time I don't react to a song from me, you see me? And like I said earlier, and I don't think you're getting enough credit that you should be getting. Obviously, you drop your monster hit down in a short them time there. And I think a lot of people love the song, but not people hate the song. So I think that was a pivotal moment in your career where no fight drop off. But when I'm gonna see you fall off, bro. You're bad, you put out your work. The thing with Gage is, if you're not upon a certain frequency, you're not gonna get what Gage just said. There's a couple of artists. One next artist was similar is Devin the Doctor. When them two you the drop song, 80% that go over your head. Like the meds where them are meds, them wordplay, the metaphor, them similes, like the lyrics system. So if you're not on a certain frequency, for understand or even comprehend what them you say. Different. Anyway, Gage, Wha Gwaan. Maybe I can jump in and say Wha Gwaan. Let's go. Wha Gwaan.
Southside.
Yeah. Wha Gwaan.
You know a legend them outside. You know meds always get deeper in time. I burn a 5 grand bag from skinny.
5 grand bag from skinny.
There's a bonus split for strong your son. Wonder Wha Gwaan. Wha Gwaan in a dance hall. Them say the hardcore business get too soft. Big up every young star, me see a shooter.
Big up the young artist them. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself.
Business get too soft. Big up every young star, me see a shooter. Turn on the lights, me see you a move off. Wha Gwaan. Fans on the wait, make me talk to for my sister, my brother them. Every time one of them rise and fall, it's like another friend gone. Big up.
I'll show you now. Once your heart clean and you're in our industry, you see a co-worker them arise and like them arise, you're happy for them. Well, once them start fall, you go feel it because you say, yo, Jano. Go up to anyone of you know. You see me? So Gage just show you with the first line that say, yo, him heart clean and him want the best for everybody. You see me? Before that, him become all of the young artists them. So he don't have nothing against nobody. You see me? I'm telling you, Gage meds different, bro. Like, yeah, you have to look meds, Gage.
Every time one of them rise and fall, it's like another friend gone. Big up yourself, Shen, me see you drop the beats again. Your fans, them a yard love you, hope you still remember them.
Big up yourself, Shen, see ya. Your fans, them a yard still love you. Hope you remember them, you know. Yeah, that's what the G say.
Big up yourself, Shen, me see you drop the beats again. Your fans, them a yard love you, hope you still remember them. Skilly bang, Wha Gwaan with the bang. Shell the place and from the contract sign, not tight again.
Skilly bang, Wha Gwaan with the bang, Wha?
Skilly bang, Wha Gwaan with the bang. Shell the place and from the contract sign, not tight again. I'll can know you're influential and you did a lot. Nothing can snatch it, but if you did, you're not for video that.
And Alkaline, I say, Alkaline, know say influence. You're influential. And if you did a snatch it, you never did have a video that. That I know Alkaline song where you see him a snart. But me no say I start him, but it may look different for other people out there. So that's how the GSA so.
Remember them, Skilly bang, Wha Gwaan with the bang. Shell the place and from the contract sign, not tight again. I'll can know you're influential and you did a lot. Nothing can snatch it, but if you did, you're not for video that.
Yeah.
Valley, we see the video with Papi. Hope him did tell us sorry. As an artist, we so big him should have learned from Addy. Hope no feelings not carry. Just the link from St. Mary, me I look man not Dari.
So I must say, yo, Valiant. Basically, must say him see with the video with Papi where Papi this not this Papi advised him, but the advice did come across a bit harsh. So Papi advised him on stage, so him see that. So he must say, yo, Papi could have angled it better, could have angled it different, because with the camp where Papi come out, you think say he would have learned from Addy, he learn from Cartel, you understand? So him see that and he must say, yo, Valley, hope say the two are no good see him, nobody pre, you understand?
Should have learned from Addy. Hope not see the video with Papi. Hope him did tell us sorry. As an artist, we so big him should have learned from Addy.
And me personally, I don't know, but I don't think Popcorn did say sorry. I don't think he did. Knowing Popcorn, I don't think he did.
We see the video with Papi. Hope him did tell us sorry. As an artist, we so big him should I learn from Addy. What no feelings not carry. Just a link from St. Mary, me I look man not tarry. Massacre, know you're bad lyrically, fear nobody. You know things can depend your level cause him pop the molly. But the music we do for make the fans them happy.
Massacre, him say him know say you're a lyricist, you're a bad artist, you're not afraid of nobody. You see me? But him a say yo, you're a princess can you depend your level because him a pop the molly. But basically him a say yo, don't watch that brother. And music the whole of we do, you see me? And music the whole of we do, so. But I understand where Massacre come from still, cause the levels card I've been playing in dancehall for how long, so I don't know if Massacre play it now. But I understand what you say also, me G. You say give the fans them what they want. You understand? But not everything the fans them can get, dog. You have to know that too. You have to know that too. So it's yeah, up and down. It depends how you look at it.
From St. Mary, me I look man not tarry. Massacre, know you're bad lyrically, fear nobody. You know things can depend your level cause him pop the molly. But the music we do for make the fans them happy. Wha Gwaan. You remember how we did one this time? Yeah. I know how we passed the hardest part.
Yeah, we know say the dancehall music, the music in general on Jamaica save a lot of ghetto youth life. And them not have to be artists neither, because enough artists out there give them friend round them job. Give them friend round them a wages every month or every week. You know, say, yo, it stop enough youth from doing crime, stop enough youth from even ending up 6'6" out of Dovecat. You understand? So, the music is very powerful. It stop enough youth from doing fuckery. Yeah.
I know how we pass the hardest part. So Wha Gwaan. I know if it's that breeze, man. How comes alkaline and cartel no have a collab that?
That's a big ask. That is a big ask. It's not impossible, but I don't see that happening. Alkaline and Vice Cartel doing a collab. I don't see that happening. Never say never, but I don't see that happening. I don't see it happening.
Breeze, man. How comes alkaline and cartel no have a collab that? Grace, hope you take care of your health. Hope you're not the foreign and not do too much to yourself. You prove a lot already. Now for do a thing again. Rebel still a picnic them one day, just make it up with them and
Gracie, that you the boss to talk to. The man say, hope you're fine and not take care of yourself. You don't have to do too much again, mama. You don't have to do nothing more again. You done prove yourself already as the baddest, as the queen of dancehall. And him then further on and say, yo, Rebel. And he must say, Spice, member say, Rebel them, and you picking them, regardless of what go on between Uno and them, between you and them. At a Rebel Pretty and Rebel Pretty and TC, whatever go on between you and them, Spice, Uno can work that out. You see me, cause Uno have a history together. Yes, I understand. Teeth and tongue will meet, but Uno angle it. That's what the G has said.
Prove a lot already. Now for do a thing again. Rebel still a picnic them one day, just make it up with them.
Yeah.
Tamily, we know why you go to jail again. Teacher, you too bad enough in the road, my friend.
Tamily, we know why you go to jail again. We know why no artist go to jail again. Artists, only not mix the gun thing with the music, brother. If you're not a bad man, you're not a bad man. And if you're not an artist, you're not an artist, brother. You can't be both. You cannot be both. You can't be out there as an artist and kill and rap people. Not saying this is what Tamily is doing or whatever. Not. I'm just taking in general. You can't be out there and rap and do crime or instigate people life and the pan just sing. Man, we bust it from afar, man. Now if you know that. You see me? Value on the life. You understand? On our people depend on no. Not, I wouldn't say monetarily. Yes, you have people that depend on you who need the money. Your mother and Ray, blah, blah. See me? But you have fans out there where your music do a lot for. Your music get a lot of people through darkness. You understand? So, just do the right thing and just keep the music, man. Lower the badness in that music, man. You understand? We don't want to see no more artists at jail. Laden, hurry up and get free up too. Yeah.
We know why you go to jail again. Teacher, you too bad enough in the road, my friend, it will happen. TJ Ramesh, good enough, just go and free yourself. More you out of depression and back in your Benz.
Clean out again. TJ Ramesh, good enough, brother. TJ Ramesh is good. So nobody pre that, brother. Like, come out of depression, brother. The man wants to see you back in your Benz. That the man wants to see you. You see me? Happy and being the TJ that we all know. But I think TJ is fine. I don't think TJ is in depression. Even what does depression look like? Don't know, because he hasn't come out and said he's going through depression. I don't know.
TJ Ramesh, good enough, just go and free yourself. More you out of depression and back in your Benz. If not you treat you, them do the rest themselves. But now yet man, you rate your music family. Gonna sing about all of this, I'm not talk about myself. I'm still the young legend, I could be anybody else. I could be the brightest.
Man say I'm still the young legend, I could be anybody else. You could be anybody else I want, whether negative or positive. I'm still the young legend though.
All of this I'm talk about myself. I'm still a young legend, I could be anybody else. I could be the brightest star, me say that without apology. And if I dance, I'll rip that, you know, just like Bunty. If you don't get the acknowledgement, tell me I go acknowledge it.
Big up Killer. Big up Killer. Big him say dance all in rep. Like Bunty.
And if I dance, I'll rip that, you know, just like Bunty.
Yeah.
If you don't get the acknowledgement, tell me I go acknowledge it. I'm not beg no friend from nobody. Wha Gwaan.
If him must say if him not get the acknowledgement, him gonna acknowledge himself. Powerful.
I'm not beg no friend from nobody. Wha Gwaan. Wha Gwaan. You remember how we did one this time? Yeah. I know how we passed the hardest part. So Wha Gwaan. I know if you start pre-smart. How comes alkaline and cartel no have a collaborate that? Wha Gwaan in a dance hall. Them a say the hardcore business get too soft. Still a big up every young star, me see a shoot off. Turn on the lights, me see you a move. We know a girl a never man, she know loud the dark room and come sing to your fans.
Yeah, me glad say. I was just about to say what the second verse say, cause there's much more things happening. So here the second verse is. We start off with me say, oh, Dapper, next to Dapper matter. That Dapper, me know says a girl that it wasn't a man. You understand? This is the viral thing when they go around and say Dexter Dapsa dance with man and and the girl they come out and say, yo, I'm a woman, what the fuck me have pitney, blah blah blah. So she don't prove herself, which she shouldn't have to. That's how all the media work though. You see me? So he must say, yo, Dapper, listen, me know say that was a girl, never a man. You understand? So don't worry yourself.
We know a girl never man, she know loud the dark room and come sing to your fans.
You can't tell she ain't allowed the dark room still though. Even though me get what you say, but listen to what me say. She in a dark room song, one of the biggest songs in her career, apart from Jamaica Thunder Road from them time till now. But she in a dark room song did numbers for him, did magic for him. Even DJ can link up with him. But you understand what you said now, Gage, when you say, yo, loud the dark room, I say, yo, come out of the dark room, brother. Come out of the state where you're in and forward, now the happy light. You understand? That's what the G has say. But if dark room, then the dark room, then. But you understand what you say, my G. You're bad. Yeah.
We know a girl never man, she know loud the dark room and come sing to your fans. And just she stop the screaming when you're singing all these songs because of First Nation and not the first band.
Joshy, stop the screaming when you perform on stage, brother. Like, you don't need to do that, brother. Composer. You see me? Hold your tone, hold your key. You see me? Sumfest last year you did half key, you shout. Yes, you're going good. Yes, are you close the show. But you did a shout. For me, you did a shout too much. You understand? So the boss gave one good advice there. Like, take it, bro. Don't take it as a disrespect. You see me?
And just she stop the screaming when you're singing all these songs because of First Nation and not the first band. Me see artists a ton clown and nobody nah laugh. Nowadays everybody chicken out them have the sauce. Enough of them not find a song big like JAMAICA'S now.
Me say artists a ton clown and nobody nah laugh. Yes, some artists a clown out themselves and nobody nah laugh. Cause it's not funny. It's not funny. We nah laugh. Fix up your blood clot, self artists.
Songs because of First Nation and not the first band. Me see artists a ton clown and nobody nah laugh. Nowadays everybody chicken out them have the sauce. Enough of them not find a song big like JAMAICA'S now. A full time them gear the front page and make she go on.
Enough of them not find a song big like JAMAICA'S now. Which song JAMAICA'S? What GPP you talk better? Which song? A full time them gear the front page for true. JAMAICA'S bad artist, man. JAMAICA'S bad artist for true.
Enough of them not find a song big like JAMAICA'S now. A full time them gear the front page and make she go on. I Gage them on the track, you know so truth about the talk. Sizzla Kalanji, we know you're smart but you're dark. And many ways you have enough feelings get cut off. But pan the media you a perform like Khalid and in your dark.
Yeah. Sizzla, that could have angled better. Gage, make up yourself to touch on a subject. Sizzla, that could have angled better, dada. The thing where you burn the thing on that could have angled better. You see me? Yeah, too much darkness not good, brother. Too much darkness not good, my G. Like that could have angled better. You have Khalid number. You could have called Khalid. If Khalid didn't answer, if Khalid don't answer, Khalid will call you back. You could have called Khalid and angle that rather than going upon the media. Cause not saying you you need the links, but links is a good thing to have. Especially a link like Khalid, you know? Remember your sister, you know, you're legend, you know, but don't make that get to your head, bro. Like, treat people how you would like to be treated. You understand?
In many ways you have enough feelings get cut off, but pan the media you a perform like Khalid and your dog. The top girl Chanel, me ever done so Wha Gwaan. Pan the TV I ball, meanwhile media they laugh. We see the tears in your eye, we know say pain in the yard, but obstacles in a dance hall.
You must say pan the TV I cry while him did they laugh. When I was growing up, them tell me say Bullfrog always say what is joke to you is dead to me. What that mean is you might there as a little juvenile, I kick the bullfrog and I use stick and I poke the bullfrog and I throw salt on the bullfrog and I laugh, kick like it's funny. No, you're actually killing the bullfrog. So what Chanel did, Chanel company media and Chanel vent about what was going on, what was taking place in our career and how people are user, you understand, and are overworker. So there was nothing funny about that anyway. There was nothing funny about that. That was really disheartening to see because Chanel a bad artist, brother. And she announced, say, yo, she done with dancehall, which is a shame because I was always saying Chanel are one of the artists them that I sang them can play anywhere, apart from the song which she do with Cartel about good underneath, good underneath. That, you understand? That our song can play anywhere. Anyway, Chanel a good talented artist. So, I understand what you say, Gage still. I understand what you say. Don't get it wrong, you know. I understand from both sides, G.
Yeah, they laugh, we see the tears in your eye, we know me ever done so Wha Gwaan. Pan the TV I ball, meanwhile media they laugh. We see the tears in your eye, we know say pain in the yard, but obstacles in a dance hall. So Wha Gwaan, you remember how we did one this time? Yeah, I know how we passed the hardest spot. So Wha Gwaan, I know if it's start breathe smart. How comes alkaline and the cartel know of a collab big dog?
Solid. Let me just say though, I'm not sure when this song was recorded and the video was done, but it would have been good to hear you big up I don't know too, because you don't know so I don't got through him crisis cause him just lose his son and things. So it would have been good to see you put him in it as well. But I think this song was done before all of that go on still. You see me? So big up yourself, Gage. Bad artist. Like me say that you enjoy the video. If you're not pre what he must say, like he go over your head all the time. So this is why this reaction is so long, because I have a breakdown what the G say. This is a breakdown. It's not even a reaction. It's a breakdown of what he must say. You understand? So Gage, big up yourself, dog. One of the most underrated dancehall artists ever, bro. You understand? But you're bad. You're bad. You see me? Just keep kicking the door there again, bro. You see me? Yeah. This is a masterpiece. This is a masterpiece. So I know what I go on for you. Anyway, this is how I'm gonna leave that one. It's long enough. If you want to see more from your G, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. Remember, join the family. JAMAICA'S give me a family. And I'll see you in the next one. Alright? Wha Gwaan.